So guys, the question that we are going to solve today is this, where we need to calculate x raised to the power n, right? And this question looks like a simple math.power task, right? But the real challenge is we are not going to use any built-in functions, and we need to handle the positive as well as the negative power properly, even the edge cases, right? And for this question today, we are going to learn two different approaches that will make this question crystal clear for you. Make sure to watch it till the end and save this video right away for quick revision. So the first approach is going to be the extreme brute force approach, where we will be using simple maths. We will check if the value of n is 0. If it is 0, we will simply return 1. And if it is not 0, what we are going to do, we will multiply x by the number x itself till n times, right? And in the end, we will check if the power is negative, we will return the reciprocal of that. And if the power is positive, then we will simply return the result itself. The same thing we have done here in the code. First, we are checking if the value of n is 0. If it is 0, we will return 1. And if it is not 0, we are multiplying x by the number x itself till n times. And in the end, we are checking if the power was negative or positive. If it is positive, we are simply returning the result itself. And if it is negative, we are returning the reciprocal of it. Right? So that's how we can solve this question using basic maths. But now let's see the second approach. So the second approach is going to be the optimized approach, and in this approach we are going to reduce the power based upon some observations. Okay, what we are going to do, we will check if this power is even or odd. For example, let's say I need to calculate 2 to the power n. I will be having an answer variable, this x is equals to 2 and this power is equals to 9, right? What I'm going to do, I can write it like this. So if the power is odd, in that case I will multiply the answer by the number itself, and I will reduce the power by 1, right? Now the number becomes this, 2 to the power 8. Now this time the power is even. So can I write it like this? 2 to the power 2. Basic maths, power over power, same thing we will get. Okay, so when the power is even, in that case what we are going to do, we will square the base and half the power. So this time the power will get half and we need to square the base. 2 will become 4. So now what I need to do, I need to check 4 raised to the power 4. So this time also, this is an even power. So when the power is even, what we are doing, we are reducing the power by half and squaring the base. So this time it will become 16. And the same thing we are doing here in the code. We are checking if the power is even, we are reducing the power by 1 and multiplying the answer by the number itself. Okay, and if the power is even, what we are doing, we are reducing the power by half and squaring the base. And in the end, we are checking if the power is positive, we will simply return the result itself, and if the power is negative, we will return the reciprocal of it. So in this approach, we just need to remember two things. If the power is odd, what we are doing, we are reducing the power by -1, multiplying the answer by the number. Okay, and if the power is even, we are reducing the power by half and squaring the base. So these two things we are doing, and based upon these observations, we can calculate x raised to the power n in just few steps. Okay, so I hope you got the logic now. You can take a screenshot of this code and try to do dry run by your own. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next video with another DSA concept.